Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.net for Tuesday, April 13th. What a fantastic market this is. Just great momentum in stocks if you're actually playing it like we are. We probably won't even have enough time to go through all our stock plays, just given the number of chat room plays and whatnot that have been moving over the last few days. But just a fantastic market right now if you are a trader. But let's jump in, look at the indice charts, and then move on to the stock plays. Right now, we're looking at the Dow 15-minute chart. As I said a couple of days ago, we have moved into a secondary bearish rising wedge here. And typically, when we see another wedge form after a really long wedge, it is bullish. And, it's been bullish. We've continued to move slowly up. The bears have been unable to smack the market down. They've had a couple of opportunities over the last 2 days, and the bulls just continue to move in. Yes, the volume is low, but what happened in after hours today could really start to bring the volume in. We had Intel come out, just blow the door off on their earnings. SMH is up, Intel is up, a lot of the tech stocks are up, and things are looking very, very good. The Intel report may be what breaks the dam and starts an avalanche of money into this market right now. You have so many hedge funds, so many traders who've been sitting on the sidelines in cash or short, not believing this rally and saying and waiting for a tank that just has not come. We continue to slowly move higher. It's frustrating the hell out of a lot of people sitting on the sideline, and those of us playing the market right now are just whistling to the bank. If we flip over to the daily chart, you can see here on the daily chart we continue to push higher. We're over 11K now. What we've lacked in this rally over the last couple of months is tech stock participation. Now, we've seen the tech stocks go up now. We've seen the SMH go up. Let me flip over there. We've seen this sector do very, very well, but it really has not broken out like we've seen the Dow and the S&P break out. I did mention on Sunday that this is what we would look for. We would look for a breakout in the SMH, and this would be our trigger for the next wave in the rally. We never have a bull market rally without big-time participation from the tech stocks. Intel might be the flame that lights up the tech stocks now. It's going to be interesting to see how we see what action comes into the market tomorrow. But I would really assume that any dips are going to be bought heavily. Nice breakout on the SMH. We're pushing towards our $30 target on the SMH I gave on Sunday. Next target would be a move to the $31 to $32 area. Chart looks really, really good. We had stochastics and unbalanced volume break out of their bullish falling wedges today as well. So very nice confirmation here. Would really like to see volume spike on the SMH tomorrow. We'd be looking for above average volume, 25 million plus, and that would be another great confirmation on this market. But going back to the Dow daily chart, RSI up over 70, but stochastics, unbalanced volume just looks fantastic. Support on the Dow, 20-day exponential, 10,850. So as long as we hold above this level, we are golden for the near term, in my opinion. But let's jump into some stock plays. BNVI. Love the setup on this stock going into the cancer conference next week, or actually this weekend. Has cash, no delisting risk. Got a nice little spike today, but we still, crazily enough, have sellers in biotech stocks when biotech stocks have been on absolute fire over the last week. And for some reason, traders are still selling these stocks for 1 or 2 cents when they're going up 25, 50, 100%. This is the kind of stock that can put in one of those massive 50% plus moves. Let's look at the 2-year chart on BNVI, actually the 1-year chart. Last April, as I mentioned before, this stock went kaboom into the AACR meeting and into the end of April. We're looking for the same move here again. Same setup that we saw last year. Would be looking to add this stock 50 cents and under. Target is 75 cents here. Let's aim high on this one, especially given what these biotech stocks do. BNVI gets any news, and this is another monster winner for us. ULU, mentioned in the chat room yesterday, look for a gap today. Said in the weekend newsletter that this was going to be a big mover for us. Traded as high as 21 cents pre-market. 20 cents after the open. Sort of saw a dip like it's been seeing every day, just as the piker sellers, take their 1 cent and move away. We're looking for a move to 25 to 29 cents on this one. Positive MACD cross, nice big positive MACD cross on this one today. Stochastic still in a nice uptrend, and on-balance volume starting to go vertical. This is what we want to see before the stock goes kaboom. We saw the same sort of on-balance volume move way back in December when the stock broke out, shook all the fools out, and then went up 50%. Probably looking at the same thing happening here again. New trading alert today, ILI pharmaceutical play was a big mover early in the year, traded as high as $1.57. They come out, they raised $5 million selling shares at $1. Financer shorts came into the stock as they normally do, hammered the crap out of it, and over the last 3 or 4 weeks, it's been consolidating nicely here around the 70 to 75 cent area. Would be looking for a snapback rally to this one to the 38% fib. That is at $1.01 area. Positive MACD cross. Stochastics breaking 50. Beaten down bio. Low D-risk or delisting risk. They have financing. Zoom time for this one with stops at 70 cents. DARA, old favorite of ours. We've played this one many times. They are chasing biotech stocks right now. This is a biotech stock on the last mania that doubled. Almost doubled. 90% move. Looking for a big move on this one again this time. Rock solid support. 42 cents now, or 40 cents. 40 to 42 cents. You can place your stops. Looking for a move to 55 to 60 cents on this one. RSI about to break 50. We had a positive MACD cross today. We're about to break our downtrend line in stochastic. This one looks ready to rumble. ANX. This is a stock we've played as well a few times. We've been sitting in this one over the last couple of days. They're meeting with the FDA later this month on their cancer drug. Cancer stocks are going boom right now. This stock will run, in my opinion, and run very big. We're looking for a move to 30 to 40 cents here. Nice little long range, but I mean, when we're sitting here at 23 cents with a 2 cent downside and possible 10 to 20 cent upside, risk reward very good here, in my opinion. Indicators are ready to go. We've got a little bit of interest in after hours today, but we'll be looking for a close above 25 cents to say all systems are a go here. CXM. Nice little pop on this one today. Nice little volume spurt on it. Got a little bit of a shake there into the close. Over 52 cents. We should get a move up to the 60 cent area on this one. Breaking 50 on RSI. Stochastics coming out of a downtrend. Positive cross on ADX. Biotech stock / pharma stock. That's all we need to know. Stops 45 cents. We're looking for 55 to 60 cents on this one in the near term. ETRM, another favorite of ours. Got a nice little pop on this one today to 63 cents. The usual shakeout that this stock does. But, I mean, looking at this chart, very nice setup here. 70 cents target. RSI breaking up through 50. Stochastics looking good. On balance volumes upticking. ADX is strong. Biotech stock, again, very nice setup on this chart. Stops, you could probably put your stops at 55 cents, today's low, and look to add this one 57 to 60 cents on any retraces. Now, with the Intel report, and as I mentioned in the chat room today, tech stocks have sort of been the laggard sector of this market. Intel should light the candle under the tech stocks. So some of our tech stock plays should start to get interest here. PKT, Procera Networks. Nice little breakout on this one today. Has been trading very nicely over the last couple of days. Moved through 200-day moving average at 54 cents, and it's off to the races here. Target 65 cents here. RSI, nice uptrend. Very nice buying volume here over the last couple of weeks. ADX is now starting to spike up. Stochastics, check out the on-balance volume here over the last couple of weeks since we ID'd this stock. Funds are starting to move in here, and they will continue to do so. Should be a very nice mover for us in the near term. ENMD, cancer play, had fantastic trial news today. Traded as high as $1.20 in pre-market. They actually closed the stock down 10%, crazy as it sounds. Large short obviously working this stock, or a a financier trying to hold the avalanche back. But when you see this sort of action on a stock like this, more times than not, you see a really big spike really, really soon. Look at what ROX did over the last couple of days. So this one looks very, very nice in the near term. BNVI, looking for a really big pop on this one. Love the setup on BNVI, ANX, and some of our other plays. That is it for the video tonight. I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.